Oh. Zai, the fireworks. I know you can give me the fireworks. Zai, the fireworks one. Guys, what punishment? Zahid, what punishment you want? She want to do. What punishment she want to do? Tell me. Huh? Tell me what punishment you want to do. Thank you so much, Zahid. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fireworks. 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 Now,
Okay, what's the
get
punishment?
drink soy sauce.
No, bawal yun. Marirestrict ako, bawal yun.
O, toyo na lang. Toyo.
Bawal talaga yun dito. Marami na restrict niyan. Tubig lang nga pinainom ko sa'yo.
O, tumambling ka. Mag-tumbling ka ng 5